Classic to me is timeless, something that endures. My love for classic cars only started when I was working as a car designer in Fiat. At that time, I had two colleagues who were classic car enthusiasts. So one owned a Renault Fuego and the other a 1983 Alfa Romeo Giulietta. And they brought me around the scene, and through them, I learned about the classic car culture. But as I developed my skills in car design, I started appreciating classic car designs in different ways. As part of the car design industry, I found it important to understand classic designs because without knowing the industry's history, how can we innovate and redefine the future? And don't we all want to create the next masterpiece? Nowadays, when I spot a classic car, I often stop and take tons of photos. But they're not just for viewing, they're also for use as inspiration for my own work. As the Fullerton building celebrates its 90th anniversary, it remains a classic silhouette in Singapore's skyline. And just like classic cars, its timeless design serves as an inspiration for the nation even today.